buzzing around me a little bit more than I want, so give them a little bit more smoke. Put that one back in there. They are busy, busy, busy. Okay, there she is. There she is. You see her? See her right there? There she is. See her? She's right there by herself. Now I'm looking for bugs or anything that doesn't look normal. Ooh, this one is full of capped honey. And it is heavy. But this is theirs. So I will not be taking any of their honey. This all belongs to them. I've got to buy some supras to put on top. Oh wow, so is this one. Full of capped honey. And there's some babies. So the queen is doing what she's supposed to do. She's doing her job. Look at all that pollen. Wow. This is nice. Look at all of that capped honey and brood. Look at that. Now, Lady Led, you tell me if I'm doing this right, or tell me what I should be doing or should not be doing. Oh, that looks good. At least from what I've learned in the class, this is what I'm supposed to be looking for. They're hard at work. I don't see anything that look like any varroa mites or anything like that. No bugs. Nothing. Just bees. There's one got his head all the way down in the thing. What is she doing? One more. This one is not as... Oh, what is that? Oh. Is that a baby coming out of there? Looks like it is. It is. Oh my goodness, there's a baby bee. They're trying to get out of there right there. See, right there. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. He didn't like that. Okay, I'm not going to do it again. I'm not going to mess with it. Y'all can get him out. Get her out or him. Oh, there he goes. He's out now. He's so little. There's another one. Oh, that's so interesting to me. Okay. All right, I'm going to put them back in the same order that I took them out in. Okay. All right, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Almost done. I put wax on these. They're working their way back this way because they started in the center on these two, and they're working from this way, from going back this way. Not yesterday, but last week, this one had very little on it. Now it's starting to fill up like the rest of them. But they're doing good. So I am going to sit you guys up right here and close them up. I have been making my own frames. I got my daughter's name and my son's name on here and my grandchildren. I've been making my own frames because I'm getting ready. I had to make a reducer for this box because it came with no reducer. This is the Warray. I do not like the Warray, so I don't really recommend it. But I'm a new beekeeper, so what do I know? Anyway, that is it for keeping the bees. They used to get all over me, but now I go out there and I come back to the house and I do not have not one bee on me most of the time. So they've really settled down and is doing really good. But I did learn not to go in the house with my bee suit on. Because one day I went in there and took it off and a bee was in there and it stung me. So now, look at them. So now I just keep it on outside and then I take it off in the garage and leave it in the garage. See all of the wood shavings I got, and I'm trying to put them all down here where the grass seldom grows, but I see there is this grass growing out here? It's really green. That is unusual for this area. Oh no, those are clovers, and I decided to keep the clovers, but I'm putting 8 inches of wood shavings around here so that the chickens can turn it and compost it. It's going to turn to compost, and then I'll be able to use it in my garden. Out here I've got all of my herbs and my parsley is going to seed. So are my mustard greens. My cabbage is gone to seed, and my collards are also going to seed. So I don't know what we're going to do with them. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I've got garlic and onions in here. That's a big garlic, and it looked like it might be almost ready. I planted it early in the fall. It looked like it might be ready because it's starting to die off. But these are onions and some more garlic. This is garlic as well. Okay. I got fruit trees down there, and I've got some fruit trees on my deck that I just bought. These are going to be muscadines. These are going to be muscadines, and they're doing pretty good. Okay. Got to turn it so that it grows this way, and this one is going to grow up this pole, and this one is going up this pole, and it's going to grow that way. This is a pear tree, and it's starting to bud. Not pear, peach tree. It's got look like little flowers or peaches on them. I know those aren't peaches. Oh, might be, I don't know. If you know, let me know. This is a fig tree. Okay. And I believe this is the pear tree. Yeah, this is the pear tree. And this is a pear tree. It's doing really well. Okay. This is a Japanese quam. And it looks like the chickens have been pecking at it. Both my lemon trees died. Okay, but now I know not to put them in the ground. These are my olive trees. They are doing good. I need to get a stick and tie that one up, and this one is